Hello, yes. Welcome back to our streak of sessions discussing different kinds of financial ratios. Next up to our list is profitability ratios. How does a businessman compute and elicit his profits to all the stakeholders at any point of time? Let's discuss profitability ratios which make their job easy. Profitability ratios are the best indicators of proficiency of the business as a whole. The reason for this is they compare the value of returns over the value of inputs of it. By this, we will be able to know the tendency and the rate of profitable results that the enterprise gets from carrying out of its operations. Thus, profitability ratios are of two different kinds. Profitability as related to sales and profitability related to investment. Under this, there are three important ratios to discuss in detail. The first one is gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, and earning per share ratio. To see the first one, gross profit ratio. This ratio establishes the relationship between gross profit and sales to measure the relative operating efficiency of the corporation and to reflect its pricing policies. This ratio is computed by dividing gross profit by net sales. It indicates the position of trading results. Next one, net profit ratio is calculated by dividing net income after tax by net sales. A higher ratio is an indication of efficient use of total resources, whereas a low ratio, on the contrary, would mean poor financial planning and low efficiency. To see the third one, earning per share ratio. This ratio is computed with the formula of earnings after tax minus preferred dividends, if any, whole divided by equity shares outstanding. So this ratio reveals the amount of periods earnings after taxes which access to each equity share. This ratio is an important index because it indicates whether the wealth of each shareholder on a per share basis has changed over the period. A year-to-year comparison of earnings per share can be very informative to the investors. Thus, EPS provides an insight to the investment potentiality of an organization. We generally use the information presented in trading account and profit and loss account to calculate these ratios. With this, we have finished the important ratios under the following four categories of liquidity ratios, solvency ratios, activity ratios, and profitability ratios. Thank you very much.